Hi, I'm Vanessa and I work with Anisiga on the BWRLWM project. One of the main aims of the BWRLWM project, which has been running for nearly a year now, was to look at community energy and discuss the benefits behind it for both generators and users. So we've come today with the BWRLWM project up to the community-owned wind turbine up in Salem. We've brought a lovely group of people with us who are all interested in learning more about community energy.
Here we are in a windy field outside Salem, looking at a very large wind turbine. It's the first time I've been this close to one, so it'll be interesting to go inside. I'm interested in the community ownership of power specifically. I work with a group called Permaculture Taith, and it all fits into the reusing energy, creating energy, etc.
Enw fi 'di Helen a fi'n gweithio I Pethau Pawb yn Llandyfri o prosiectau yn y Sir Gar. A dyma'r tro gyntaf fi ddod lan I gweld y turbine gwynt. Fi'n mynd I dysgu lot fel mewn gweithio heddi, so I byth wedi bod mor glos un o blaen.
I'm Mike Jones. I'm in the climate change group in Llandyfri, and it's very interesting to come and see a wind turbine up close and to hear some of the facts and figures about it, and it would be nice if we could do something like that in Llandyfri.
Da ni dod I weld yr turbine wynt sy gan yn Sir Gar. Dwi'n fascinated gan pob fath o stwff trydanol a techy, so dwi jyst I ddod I dysgu am y turbine a beth mae yn Sir Gar yn neud yn yr ardal lleol o ran ynni a trydan.
So we live just over that direction, so we see the windmill every day.
Hi,
Come on the mud!
I'm here because my family came and I also wanted to come and learn a bit.
Yeah, we can hear the windmill from where we live when it's going really fast. And yeah, we're just really interested in it. Me and my children are climate activists as well.
Apparently it's going at 16 rotations a minute, and that's quite impressive because it might be big, but it's hard to push, so there's a lot of energy in that. And learning the measurements of speed.
I studied human rights law and I went to a lot of the conferences with DEFRA and the Environmental Agency in National History Museum one year, and I was just so shocked that they couldn't answer some of my questions. So I did a master's in human rights and focused on climate change and about the future of my children and their children and the generations to come, and it was just so shocking. So we're just really interested in alternatives, and you know, we've heard good and bad things about wind, and obviously it's way in front of most energy providers, so we're just really interested in coming to see it up close.
I seen a big windmill and a bunch of horses.
Do you think about like climate change and stuff like that?
Yeah, quite a lot, because I always think about how I could help to fix it, because I don't want to pollution is annoying too, and I'm always thinking, how would I fix it? And I can't fix it, but how can I help?
I think we all know it's all extremely important that we do something about the climate change. It's all too easy to forget about it and get lost in everyday affairs, but it's really happening and it's getting ever faster, and we've got to do something about it.
And what have you learned being here today, and how has it inspired you? Or?
Well, it has, hearing how practical it is, how the money has been raised and shares have been taken up by the community, and it's making a profit, and it's making a lot of electricity.
We're here today, I'm here with my son, he's home educated, and it's absolutely brilliant that you've done this for the kids as well today. He's probably learned a hell of a lot as well, it's been fantastic, and I've learned some things as well. It's just been fantastic.
Part of the BWRLWM project is working with local groups and local organisations, but alongside that is about keeping things local. So when we do trips like this, we buy our food locally, we try to work with local groups, we try to support the economy locally and in Carmarthenshire, which benefits everybody. It benefits the environment through carbon footprint and benefits local businesses as well.